This is the excretory products and their elimination test 11. Here comes the 16th question. Urinary excretion is 1. Glomerular filtration minus tubular reabsorption plus tubular secretion. 2. Glomerular filtration minus of tubular reabsorption plus tubular secretion. 3. Tubular secretion minus of glomerular filtration plus tubular reabsorption. 4. Tubular reabsorption minus of glomerular filtration plus tubular secretion. Next comes the 17th question. Filtration slits and fenestrations are related to the following respectively. 1. Podocytes and endothelial cells. 2. Endothelial cells and podocytes. 3. Podocytes and JG cells. 4. Endothelial cells and JG cells. Next comes the 18th question. The reabsorption of water from renal fluid into blood and distal convoluted tubule is called 1. Tubular secretion. 2. Obligatory reabsorption of water. 3. Augmentation. 4. Conditional reabsorption of water. Next comes the 19th question. On an average of the following amount of blood is subjected to filtration by the kidneys per minute. Here are the options. 1. 1100 to 1200 milliliters. 2. 500 to 600 milliliters. 3. 180 liters. 4. 125 milliliters. Next comes the 20th question. Which of the following are efficiently reabsorbed by nephron? 1. Urea and uric acid. 2. Creatinine and uric acid. 3. Glucose and amino acids. 4. Amino acids and creatinine. Next comes the 21st question. If the nephron, more reabsorption of water takes place in 1. Descending limb of Henle's loop. 2. Proximal convoluted tubule. 3. Distal convoluted tubule. 4. Ascending limb of Henle's loop. Next comes the 22nd question. Identify the correct statement from the following. 1. Uremia cannot be treated with dialysis. 2. Lactic acid is secreted along with sweat. 3. One lung can eliminate 1.18 liter of CO2 per day. 4. Bile pigments of liver help in emulsification. Next comes the 23rd question. 24th question next. A large increase in blood volume promotes the release of 1. Atrial natriuretic peptide. 2. Antidiuretic hormone. 3. Aldosterone. 4. Angiotensinogen. Next comes the 25th question. Which of the following statement is incorrect pertaining to man? 1. ADH is a vasoconstrictor. 2. ANF is a vasodilator. 3. pH of urine is alkaline. 4. Man is ureotelic. Next comes the 26th question. The hormone that helps in the reabsorption of Na plus ions from renal fluid of distal convoluted tubule is 1. Vasopressin. 2. ADH. 3. Oxytocin. 4. Aldosterone. Next comes the 27th question. Which of the following statements is incorrect? 1. ADH prevents conversion of angiotensinogen in blood to angiotensin. 2. Aldosterone facilitates water reabsorption. 3. ANF enhances sodium reabsorption. 4. Renin causes vasodilation. Next comes the 28th question. A person is showing frequent urination, thirst and general malaise, but there is no sugar in his urine. The doctor may suspect 1. Diabetes mellitus. 2. Renal failure. 3. Diabetes insipidus. 4. Glomerulonephritis. Next comes the 29th question. In hemodialysis, the antiheparin is injected into 1. Artery, 2. Dialyzer, 3. Vein, 4. Portal vein. Next comes the 30th question. Dialyzing unit. Artificial kidney, in the bracket they given artificial kidney, contains a fluid which is almost same as plasma except that it has 1. High glucose, 2. High urea, 3. No urea, 4. High uric acid.